Hey everyone, my name's Adeola Gboyega and I'm a makeup artist. So I've been nominated by Get the Gloss to take part in the Get the Gloss in 7 challenge. Now I have only 7 minutes to create a full makeup look. Challenge accepted. I'm nervous. I have my timer. It's here on my phone and I have to create a whole makeup look in 7 minutes. Pray for me guys. I have all my products here. Precision's gonna go absolutely out the window. I'm gonna tell you that for now. But we've all got those scenarios where we've got Zoom calls that we have to get into, like lastminute.com. So it's really good practice to get yourself ready for that. Okay, are we ready? I think I'm gonna do like a soft smoky eye, glowing skin. That's like my signature thing. I love skin and a really beautiful sort of soft smoky eye. So let's see how it goes. I'll probably start with the eyes first. Okay, I've got my timer here, 7 minutes. Let's go. Okay, right, so let's start off with the eyes. I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette here with these gorgeous colors. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of the matte shades and kind of build it up. And I like to kind of put that all over the lid just to create that soft smokiness. And one of my favorite tips of the smoky eye is just to kind of lay down your shadows first onto the eye. And then I like to go in with my fingers afterwards just to kind of add in any shimmers and stuff, but I want to kind of create that definition first with the matte shades. This is a Divine Rose palette by McGrath Labs, which is super, super pretty. Okay, I'm going to go in with a pencil. This is like a permagel pencil. It's so easy to use, and all I'm going to do is just going to take that really close to the lash line. You don't have to worry about getting it neat. You just want to make sure that it's really close to the lashes. And then we're just going to smudge it out. So this is why you don't have to worry about being precise, because you're going to smoke it out anyway. So it's absolutely fine. I'm just taking that, using a flat brush here. I'm just buffing that out. I always say, if in doubt, smoke it out, guys. And what I like to do is just use this brush to kind of smoke it out and kind of wing it a little bit. So you can see that there. Doing the same on the other side. Oh my gosh, guys, this is like pressure. I literally have that song in my head. Do, 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 do. Under pressure. Because I'm literally racing the clock right now trying to get this done. But we've all been there before where we've had, like, you know, our boss saying, last minute Zoom call. And you're like, oh my gosh, like I haven't even gotten out of my pajamas yet. I'm like working from home. And I don't even have the time. So you can see that there. I'm gonna add a little bit of a darker color just to kind of like smoke it out a little bit more. Just add a bit more depth. And then one of my favorite things to do is just take my fingers and going like this on either side to finish it off. Okay, we're gonna go with lots of mascara. And that's like my favorite tip. Just to make sure that everything looks really nice and smoky, like lots and lots of mascara. And I do my eyes first because if anything falls out or you have too much, you know, shadow that goes underneath, then you can just clean it up. But we've done pretty well so far in that sense. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a bit of foundation, but I might do a bit of primer. I know, primer, just to kind of smooth out my skin. I have a combination to oily skin, so just using that on my T-zone area. I like to leave my cheeks to glow. And then we're gonna go in with a bit of foundation. I'm gonna use a mixture of a brush and also a beauty blender. And a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna start here and here. Just buffing that in circular motions. Love this foundation because it really does give my skin a beautiful glow. I don't like too much coverage. Use a little bit under my eyes, but not too much. Buffing that through. And then I like to kind of go in with my beauty blender once I'm done, just to make sure that I've got every single area. So that's my biggest tip, is like kind of get it on and then go in with your beauty blender afterwards, just to kind of make sure that everything looks really nice and even. Okay, a little bit of concealer. Whoopsie. See, I told you guys there's gonna be like craziness going on. Just drop my foundation there. Bit of concealer under my eyes. Using a beauty blender to kind of blend that in. And again, that's why you do your eyes first, because if anything, you know, smudges underneath or it's not perfect, you can just go back in with your concealer and just finish that off. Perfect. Okay, a couple minutes left. What am I going to go in? Oh yes, brows. Let's do brows. Going with the brow pencil. I'm going to brush the brows up first. And then go in with a little bit of pencil just to finish it off. Okay, right, let's do, I think I'm going to do a little bit more mascara. Where have I put my mascara? See, this is what happens, guys. Oh, here it is. Then a little bit underneath, like so. Okay, let's powder. Not got long left, so powder's just going to go down in the center of my face because I like to leave my cheeks glowing. Here under my eyes. Okay, bit of highlighter, Fetish Balm, again to give my skin a lovely glow. Perfect. Then we're going to go in with a bit of lip colour, but what I actually like to do is I like to take my lip colour and use it on my cheeks and also on my lips as well. So this is a colour called Soft Core. It's a matte lipstick, but I actually like to use it on my cheeks as well as on my lips. So I've literally taken a little bit of that on my brush. Using my fingers to apply that. Oh yes, nice and glowy, I'm loving it. Okay, not long left. Okay, let's go with a bit of gloss. I'm more of a gloss girl. Make sure everything's all blended in. What else do I need? Probably a bit more powder. Oh, bronzer. Let's do a bit of bronzer. Can never go wrong with bronzer. Oh my gosh, that's it, guys. Time is gone. That was scary. But I think I did a pretty good job. I got my glow in, so I'm happy with that. A really soft, smoky eye, super simple. Got my brows on, powder. Challenge accepted. I think I smashed it. Looks beautiful, skin looks great. Love the lip and cheek combo with the eyes. Loving it. Okay, so thank you so much, Get the Gloss, for nominating me. I absolutely love that. It was actually quite fun. I'm going to nominate Ateh Jewel, the incredible Ateh. I think she's amazing, and I know that she's got some amazing tips up her sleeve to create a really beautiful look in 7 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, guys. Bye.